Hello everyone, welcome to my nail art channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am teaching you button nails art design step by step guide. Make sure your nails are as cute as a button with this charming nail art design. If you want to prepare your nails with the design of buttons, you should have to follow my step by step guide. Number one step, let's talk about the number one step is using a palette blue nail polish. Create half circles on the tips of your thumb, index finger, and a middle finger nails as well. If you complete the first step, then move to step number two. Using a pink nail polish, create half circles on the tips of your ring finger and little finger nails. Let's move to step number three. With a nail art brush and a darker red nail polish, draw the outline of a smaller circle inside. Each of these circles on your ring finger and little finger nails, add two short strokes for button holes. Let's talk step number fourth. Repeat the previous step with the darker blue nail polish and your thumb, index finger and middle finger nails. Step number 5. Following the previous steps, alternate the pink and blue nail polishes to create overlapping buttons. Step number 6. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your design, beautiful button nail art design is ready. If you like, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye, take care.